Little Early English Education.
Hello, super learners! Today, we're going to draw and color a brand new number block. Number block 11,000. Let's get started. First, we will draw the main body. Draw one big rectangle. Now, inside the rectangle, draw 10 vertical lines. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job! Now, draw 11 horizontal lines. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Amazing! Now the body is divided into many big sections. Say it with me. O, N, E, H, U, N, D, R, E, D, T, E, N. 110. Each large section will become tiny blocks. That means this number block is huge. Now, each big block will turn into tiny blocks. Inside one section, draw 10 vertical lines, 11 horizontal lines. That means each section equals 100 tiny blocks. Now remember, 110 sections times 100 tiny blocks equals 11,000 blocks. Wow, that is a super big number block.
Let's begin our drawing time, nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors, let the numbers grow. Every number block starts a shape, simple, clean and clear. Drawing lines in little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another, build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across, learning has begun. Lines are straight and corners neat, take your time and see. Every block we draw today builds creativity. Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm, red is strong and bright. Yellow shines like morning sun, making pictures light. Color softly, color slowly, stay inside each side. Every shape Let's begin our drawing time, nice and calm and slow. today builds creativity. Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm. It's time to draw the number blocks. Let's begin today. Take your pencil,
Let's
take your
count together
crayons,
in thousands.
Start with simple shapes and lines,
1,000,
never so neat. Every
2,000,
box we draw makes learning feel complete.
3,000,
Draw a block and draw another
4,000,
side by side. Every
5,000,
number starts with shapes, watch 'em grow with
6,000,
time. Lines go up and lines go down,
7,000,
corners round and square. Drawing
8,000,
number blocks together shows how much we care.
9,000, 10,000,
Now it's time, let the colors
11,000.
shine. Fill each block with happy
Amazing
shapes.
counting, super learners.
Bright and blue is
Now
green,
we
yellow
will
is
complete the remaining tiny blocks.
learning mixed with fun.
We are now entering fast drawing mode.
Gently color neatly,
Draw
sides
many
by side.
tiny vertical
Every stroke and
lines.
every shade makes the picture
Now
shine.
many tiny horizontal
Mix
lines.
them if you like.
Keep
Draw
going
color
until
together,
all
mix the
sections are
numbers up to
full.
light. Let's start counting slowly now. 1 and then it's 2, 3 and 4 and 5 blocks. Look what we can do. Hey, hey, look at this page. Let's make numbers, let's engage. Tap your crayons, clap your hands. Drawing numbers is super grand. First we sketch, then we build. Every little box gets filled. Left and right and up and down. Boxes turning into town. Pick a color, spin it round. Drop some color, watch it bounce. Splash of blue and pop of red. Numbers dancing on the page instead. Fill it in and make it glow. Fast or slow, just go with flow. Oops, a line? That's okay. Color fun comes every way. Count it out, here we go. Watch the numbers start to grow. 1 jumps in, 2 join 2, 3 and 4 say, how do you do? 5 goes high, 6 goes wide, 7, 8 comes side by side. 9 says, look how tall we've grown. 10 shouts, now I'm not alone. Color, color, zip, zap, zoom. Brighten up the whole room. Turn the page into a show. Watch the number blocks steal the glow. More blocks, more fun. Stack them up, we're not done. Big or small, short or tall. Every number loves them all. Spin the colors. Let's begin our drawing time. Nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your colors. Let the numbers grow.
Amazing work.
Every number
Drawing is complete.
starts a shape.
Now let's draw the face. First, draw eyes. Inside shapes, draw the eyes. Add the pupil details and small shine circles.
Draw a square and add another. Build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide across. Learning has
Next, draw a happy smile mouth.
lines are
Inside the mouth, draw teeth and tongue.
Take your time and see. Every block we
Now, draw both hands.
builds creativity.
After that, draw both legs at the bottom.
Now we color carefully, fill each space with care. Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere.
Finally, on the top, write 11000. Fantastic work, super learners! You've drawn number block 11,000. Now, let's color him in and bring him to life. Get your colors ready. Let's start.
Color slowly, stay inside each side. Every shape looks beautiful when colors fit just
Now let's start coloring. First, pick black color. Spell it with me. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Color inside the eyes, inside the mouth area.
learning shine. Let's start
Great job! Now pick dark red. Spell it with me. D-A-R-K-R-E-D. Dark red. Color eye outlines, smile outline, watch. Amazing coloring. Find red. Can you find something red around you? Point to it.
counting helps us understand big and small them all. Add some more and count again.
Now pick green. Spell it with me. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Color hands, legs, shoes. Green hunt. Look around the room. Can you find something green? Maybe a toy? Maybe a shirt? Maybe a plant?
When we learn with
Awesome! Now pick light red. Spell it with me. Lightred. Light red. Color the first 10,000 block area. Thousands count.
Guys, on this learning ride, take a look at what we made, bright and full of cheer. Every number block we colored shows how much we learned.
Slow color challenge. Color slowly and carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful coloring.
The number blocks makes us want to. Let's begin our drawing time. Nice and calm and slow. Grab your paper, grab your color.
Now color quietly. No talking, only coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Amazing focus.
Drawing lines and little boxes brings the numbers near. Draw a square and add another. Build them one by one. Stack them tall or wide.
Fast color mode. Fast coloring. 1, 2, 3, go, go, go. Now stop.
Corners neat. Take your time and see. Every block we draw today builds creativity.
Clap game. Clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job.
Choose a color that you love and spread it everywhere. Blue can feel so cool and calm. Red is strong and bright.
Stretch break. Pause coloring. Stretch your fingers. Stretch your arms. Wiggle your hands. Now back to coloring. Find white spaces. Look carefully. Any white spaces left? Fill them in nicely.
Every shape looks beautiful when colors fit just right. Mix and match or keep it simple. Every choice is fine. Drawing number blocks together makes the learning shine.
Let's count by thousands while coloring. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. Wow!
6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 blocks standing tall. Counting helps us understand big and small them all. Add some more and count again.
Now pick shaded red color. Color the last 1,000 block section.
30, 40 blocks. Math is fun this way. Drawing helps us see the numbers. Coloring makes them real. When we learn with art and play, learning starts to feel. Shade the edges, fill the middle, smooth and nice and neat. Every picture that we make.
Amazing coloring, super learners. Wow, that is a super giant number block. Now let's learn big numbers. 11,000 means 1,000 plus 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 1,000 equals 11,000. That is 11,000. Spell it with me. ELEVEN. THOUSAND. 11,000. Amazing counting. Wow, that is a super giant number block. If you enjoyed drawing and coloring with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell so you can watch more fun number block videos every day. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite color on number block 11,000? Thank you for drawing with me, Super Kiddos. Keep practicing, keep creating, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.